Now see, as this pipe goes down, it starts up at this angle at a certain height, and then it's a little bit lower here, a little bit lower there, a little bit lower at the next one, and all the way down. So I can't just willy-nilly tie this up, but because the other brackets are still up there, I can hold those up in such a fashion to where I know where it should be, and then I'm going to take my bracket and nail it in there. Let's do it, shall we? Now see, this pipe is pretty heavy because there's still some water in it, but if I lift it up this high, see, this is the strap that broke. If I just lift it up that high, then I know exactly where this bracket goes here. Okay? So there's a supporting 2x4 across here, and I can hold this up about the same height as the other one. Okay? Like right about there, I guess. Let's try that. And I got my little nails, and see those holes there. And I've got 2 nails, so I'm going to put 2 of these nails up here. Okay. You know, before I put that other nail, I'm going to kind of mimic this. So I push that up, and see, this has the little thread things all the way around it, and it said it was for any size pipe. Okay, that's going to work just fine, I believe. So I'm going to put this nail in. That. And I'm going to slip this in. Like that. And that's going to cinch it up. Okay. There it is. There she be. Right there. Now that's just a hair lower than that, but I think it's going to be fine. There. Okay. Well, if I had something to cut this off, I could snap it off now, but I don't think I do. Yeah, I didn't bring my snips in. I have some electrical cutters. Let's see what that does. Just so it doesn't hang down like that. I guess it's gonna work. There we go. And if I wanted, I could take this one off. Okay. There. Done with the first one, just like that. See, you don't need to be no plumber.